So here's how to turn off friend request on Facebook. So it's quite a simple and easy thing to do. So let's get started. First of all, let's just open up the Facebook application, and then from here you need to tap on the three dots on the right upper side. So tap on the three dots, then you need to tap on the gear icon, which is the settings. So tap on it and then scroll it down until you find the audience and visibility option. So from here you need to select the how people find and contact you. You need to tap on this option, and then from here on the above side you will see who can send you friend request. So from here you need to tap on the everyone section, and the dialog box will open up, which from here you need to select friends of friends. So now there you have it. So that's how you can simply turn off friend request on Messenger. Only the people which you have mutual with can send you friend request. Rather than that, anyone cannot send you friend request directly. Alright, so that's how you can simply do it. So hope this video might help you out. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if this works, and I will catch you guys in the pretty next one.